Hello everyone, my name is Lutz Lang and this is your InterSim III channel. InterSim III Heart Simulator is your virtual heart disease patient. In this video I want to show you the unboxing of an InterSim III extended package. The name InterSim III Touch Extended Package means that an InterSim III Touch is included. Extended package indicates that the adapter box is equipped with a left ventricular IS4 connector in addition to the IS1 connector. But you'll get that soon. Let's start with unboxing. I would like to start with a few notes about the case itself. The InterSim package comes in this durable aluminum case. It offers a good protection for the device. It can be carried on most airlines as hand luggage. As you can see, there is enough space for the device, for the equipment and for the accessories. Let's go through the individual parts in detail. The InterSim III Basic unit is characterized by the following features. It is based on a Windows 10 tablet. It has a 10-inch capacitive touch display. The display consists of robust Gorilla Glass with pen support. The device is passively cooled, that means without fan. The built-in battery allows at least 3 hours of operation. ECG pins are provided on the back. These pins are designed for use with snap or pinch connectors. And don't forget, the software is pre-installed. You will find 2 manuals under the unit. The one is the manual for the InterSim III Touch and the other is the manual for the adapter box. The manuals come in 9 languages. The stylus can be used as ballpoint pen, but is actually intended as an alternative to finger touch operation. This is the power supply for the touch unit. For maximum flexibility, we have different country-specific adapters. Because the touch device is powered via USB-C connector and USB-C cable is included. The use of an adapter box is new to InterSim III. The adapter box offers many advantages. The main reason for the adapter box is personal safety and protection for live devices. This cable is also included. It connects the adapter box to the basic unit. An impedance plug is also available. It can be ordered as accessory and is then included in the package. The standard adapter box is connected with 3 IS1 connectors and 1 DF1 high voltage adapter. Since I have an extended adapter box here, my box has an additional IS4 connector. This way you are able to connect IS4 quadripolar devices to the adapter box. The additional IS4 connector is the only difference between the standard adapter box and the extended adapter box. This DF1 high voltage adapter is used to connect ICDs with DF1 connector. It is part of the standard package as well as the extended package. Please see our separate video about the adapter box that shows, among other things, how to connect the high voltage adapter to the ICDs and to the adapter box. I have a DF4 high voltage adapter in my case. This DF4 high voltage adapter is not part of the standard and also not part of the extended package. It can be ordered as accessory and is then included in the case. That's everything you need to know about unboxing of our InterSim III Touch extended package. Please see our other videos about first steps, connections and startup. Thank you for watching this video.